Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix no sound problem in Windows 11. So first up here, just need to click on the search box icon right here at the bottom, and we're gonna type right here control panel. And here we just need to open this app. Once you click on this one, we just need to change the category to large icons. So click large icons, and here find the sound option. So click on this sound, basically here. And then once you click on this one, it will show you all the devices here. So basically, if you have connected 2 or more devices, then you can select the device to change the settings. Now from there, just need to right click on the audio device. And once you right click on the audio device that you are currently using right here, it will show you some options here. So basically, first up, you need to disable this device, and after that, you just need to enable it again. Once you enabled again this device, go to the properties, so right click again, and then just need to click on these properties, and then go to the level stub, and make sure to unmute this device right over here. So click this icon to unmute this device. And then the next one here is go to enhancement tab. So basically, we can go to advanced and go to signal enhancement and make sure to disable or uncheck this enable audio enhancement. Once you've done, click apply and click OK. So yeah, that's how you basically fix no sound problem in Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.